Today we're out sampling the non-native fish in Lake Powell using gill nets and minnow traps. We're trying to see where the different species are in the lake and what depths they're at.
So 60 green sunfish.
As the reservoir levels have declined and water storage has declined with climate change and drought, those warm surface layers where those fish are become closer to the turbines and the intakes of the dam. And so these fish are being pulled through into the river below the dam where they prey on and compete with juveniles and actually adult humpback chub in the river, threatening those populations. The humpback chub is an incredibly resilient species, but they really have a hard time and no evolved defenses for species like smallmouth bass.
Oh look, smallmouth bass. There we go. First fish.
205.
205. Above Lake Powell in the upper Colorado River, smallmouth have become established invasives, and millions of dollars are spent every year trying to suppress their numbers because up there they're already having a strong negative impact on the native fish. So we only keep a certain number of samples from most fish, except for smallmouth. We will keep all samples, all stomachs, all fin flips, just to make sure we get as much data as we possibly can on them.
Humpback chub are found nowhere else on Earth. And in fact, the Grand Canyon is really unique and special for native species in the Colorado River Basin, as the fish community is dominated by native species. So Grand Canyon is very unique, and we want to keep it that way. We're working really hard to try to come up with the right equipment and strategies to prevent non-native fish from establishing and taking over Grand Canyon's waterways.